What's going on YouTube? How's everybody doing today? Welcome to the Nap channel. If you do not already know, my name is Nate. I am the better half of Nate and Paul Productions. We want to thank everybody who has subscribed already. We are almost to 300. So if you have not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. So if you read the title, you already know what's coming up. So let's get right into it. The typical frat guy.
I'm here. Oh.
What's going on, bro? You ready for this pregame?
Yeah, we're about to get lit.
All right. I got a great song for the ride over there.
All right, let's hear it.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all.
Started out with a kiss. How did it end up like this? It was only a kiss. It was only a kiss. The guy who only plays the most popular songs.
Yo, bro, you got ox.
All right, yeah.
Let's hear this fire.
Yeah, I got the heat. Don't worry.
All right, let's hear it.
Here we go. I know you know this one.
Full face, baby. Yeah, I bust down, Tatiana. Yeah, I wanna see you bust down. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down. Speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gas.
The guy who just puts it on shuffle.
All right, bro, you got ox this time. You better play something real good.
Don't worry, I'm just gonna put it on shuffle, man.
All right, as long as your playlist is good.
Songs.
As long as your playlist is good.
All right, here we go.
Sounds good.
Ready? Oh, this is. I haven't listened to this song too much, but it's pretty good.
What is this?
Hey, don't worry, it's pretty good, dude. Scrolling through Pornhub, I'm on page 50, trying to find that one video.
Bro.
I remember broken. Gotta start a code for Christmas. I don't want
What
your money.
is this?
I just want your bitches smoking out the backwood and I ain't smoking
fire, though.
I ain't got no money and I ain't got no bitches. I ain't got no money and I ain't got no bitches. I ain't got no money and I ain't got no bitches. The one who doesn't know all the words, so he just mumbles through most of the song. Alright, I got it.
You gonna play the fire?
Here we go. And now live this here lifestyle.
Bro, you need to stop.
The lifestyle.
You're ruining the song. Oh, I'm getting out of this, man. This is awful.
That emo kid.
Yo, bro, do you want the aux? Okay. All right, sounds good. Can you change it to something a little bit more chill? No!
That kid that always wanted to be Eminem. Hey man, I feel like you got good taste in music. How about you take it this time?
I got you.
All right, man.
This is the fire right now, man.
You know how old this song is?
Dude, Eminem represent, man, 100%.
Eminem's not even relevant anymore.
313.
Get over it. The guy that always plays country music. Hey man, how was hay baling today?
Oh, it's good. Can I listen to my favorite song? I really want to listen to my favorite song right now. Please?
All right, I'll let you have one.
Thanks, man.
All right, man.
All right, let's get this show on the road. You gotta start the car first, sir. You ready for this heat?
All right.
This is some fire music.
Let's hear. What do you got today?
Oh yeah! Hey! Dang girl, look at you stomping in my boots. What's a country boy to do? Say, uh-huh. You like it, right? It's 7-7.
The basic white girl.
Oh, there she is.
Hey, Nate.
Hey,
How you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. I got my coffee.
I see that. All right.
Yeah.
Here.
I love my Big B.
All right. Let me start the music here.
No. Let me play my song.
You play the worst songs.
Oh, you don't
It's
even know.
always basic shit.
You don't even know what this fire is gonna come. You ready for this?
I knew it was gonna be something like this.
Yeah, I get it, Nate.
No, we're done. Turn it off. Nope. Get out of my car.
That friend you just picked up after he got dumped.
Hey man, thanks for picking me up.
Oh yeah, no problem. Hey, I know you're feeling down, but to make you a little happier, I'll let you use the aux cord this time, because I know I always play.
I don't know if you want me to play.
It's all right, man. Just play whatever you want. I know you're feeling down, but play something to get you know. Maybe we should play something happier. I don't think this will help.
I want to cry right now, man.
Okay.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
That one guy who only listens to music from YouTubers.
Bro,
All right. What?
I found the best new song that's platinum, and it's a YouTube artist. Can I play it for you?
Man, all the YouTube artists suck.
Dude, he's way better than Jake Paul.
All right.
All right. You got to hear this fire.
You get one chance though.
Dude, he's dissing people, man. This is straight fire.
Okay.
I don't like your T-Series.
Just wait.
Nothing personal, kid.
I don't like it so
Do you know
far.
who this is? It's the number one YouTuber in the world. It's PewDiePie. Bob's on a gun.
Okay.
Sit the fuck down.
Okay.
Just stay the real.
Okay.
Let me serve you bitch lasagna.
Bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna. Look at this bitch lasagna. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope you had a great time watching it. Since you made it to the end of the video, please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And if you aren't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And we can't wait to see you next time.
Bitch, lasagna. T-Series just whip himself in their pajamas. So who the hell is Bob and why you wanna kiss him? Ew. I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while you're just dark magician. You got a fifth of the population in your nation, but I got